and welcome to the Master Pond Manager course. Your participation in this course is evidence to how our shared water resources have influenced our South Carolina way of life. Our relationships with our mountain creeks, blackwater rivers, tidal marshes, and sandy beaches have influenced all aspects of how we live, work, and play. Ponds and lakes have been one of these important water resources to our larger statewide community. We rely on pond systems to support many of our needs, including flood and pollution control, agriculture, fishing, and recreation, and more. Each system has different purposes for use. The intended use of these ponds has significant influence on their regulation, design, and management. The Master Pond Manager course will focus on management techniques for recreational and stormwater pond systems. The health of these ponds is influenced by the way we shape and manage our land. These ponds can be closely connected to downstream waterways, and our actions in the pond can directly influence these waterways too. Through proper management and a healthy pond, we are helping to protect the health of our greater community. In Master Pond Manager, it is our mission to provide science-based pond management training for South Carolina pond management professionals and pond owners that promotes both pond and ecosystem health. Master Pond Manager is part of a series of hybrid technical training programs offered through Clemson Extension's Water Resource Program team. These hybrid programs are offered online and in person through a curriculum that addresses water management needs. The other programs include the Post-Construction BMP Inspector course and the Master Rain Gardener course. In the full certificate class of Master Pond Manager, you'll be participating in a curriculum focused on recreational and stormwater pond management. The online curriculum will take place in our Canvas classroom. Each week, a new chapter or module will be made available to a participant to work through. A module will include lectures, online quizzes, videos, discussion forums, and more resources. Follow along in your course manual and take notes as you move through the content. Ask questions and interact with your fellow participants in the discussion forums. And if you need assistance, send us a message for help. We do have a syllabus that gives more information on what's to come in this class. You can find a link to that syllabus in our online classroom and in our Master Pond Manager website. The full certificate class includes 10 weeks of activities, including 2 field days and a final exam. Keep in mind, we know many of you in this certificate class are busy professionals. So while we encourage you to stay on track in the syllabus, Master Pond Manager's online lessons are designed to be self-paced. Once a module is released, you can go in at any time to review the material or go back if needed. The exception to this is the field days and final exam. Make note of the field day dates and final exam on your calendar. These are requirements for your successful completion of the course, and your participation on the dates included are needed to achieve your certification. You'll receive more information on field day details in your email. Speaking of field days, that is my favorite part of Master Pond Manager. It's a chance to apply what we've learned in the classroom to the field, but also an opportunity to connect and learn hands-on with your instructors and colleagues. As part of the full certificate track, you'll be participating in 2 field days focused on stormwater and recreational pond management. As you can see, we have a lot of fun. Lastly, to be certified, you do have to complete and pass a final exam. Once the exam is available, you will have 2 weeks to complete it, but you have to take the exam in one sitting. The exam is open book and open note. You need an 80% to pass, but don't stress. This is not a test of how much you know, but that you know how to find the right information to help you make management decisions. So on behalf of the instructor team, we hope you enjoy the Master Pond Manager course. Ask questions, chat with one another, have an open mind, and get ready. We'll see you in the classroom and in the field.